Hello everyone, welcome to my channel A Square Academy. In today's video we are going to see controlling program flow part 2. Okay, controlling program flow in PLP GSQL part 2. Why I am saying this part 2, as we have already seen the conditional statements and we have started with if then statement, right? In the previous video I have already explained the various forms of if, right? Since to achieve the conditional statements, here we are going to study case statement. What is case statement? Okay, case statement is basically it executes a block of statement conditionally. Okay, it is going to execute block of statements conditionally. We are going to provide certain condition, and if the condition is met, then the statements will be executed, right? So here basically there are two forms of case statement. One is simple case and the other one is search case. Okay, let's see this one by one with example. So what is simple case statement? So basically simple case statement provides execution of statements based on equality of operand, right? Equality of operand. The search expression is evaluated once and successfully compared to each expression in the when clause. Okay, if a match is found, the corresponding statements are executed. If no match is found, then else statements are executed. But if else is not present, then a case not found exception is raised. Okay, so basically see the syntax. What is case statement over here? You can see case statement starts with a keyword case, okay, followed by search expression. What, based on what we are going to continue with this search, right? Then this is when expression. When the condition is met, then the statement is executed. If no, then the second when will be executed if the condition is met. If none of the match is found, then else statement is executed, right? And this is end case. Since case keyword is used to begin the case, then end case is used to end the case, right? This is what the example I have taken. I am going to execute this example and show to you, right? Create function get salary employee1 integer. That means what, at the runtime when I call the function, I am going to provide the employee number of my database. For fetching that, I am taking e number as the user defined variable. That means what, I am declaring e number 1 here in the create function command itself of the type integer. Returns varchar. Since this entire function is going to return something and we are returning in the form of varchar or text, right? Declare. What I have declared here, other variable rec of type float, salary segment of type varchar, begin, select sal into rec. So always remember what is this sal. Sal is nothing but the attribute of your table. Whatever value we are going to get from the table, from this sal attribute we are going to store. We are going to store it into this record rec variable, okay, which is just declared by the user. From table name where e number is equals to e number 1. Okay, this e number 1 is the variable which is just declared by the user in the create function, since we are going to accept the value from the user when we call the function. Okay, so what is the case now? Case rec, whatever value comes in this variable rec, okay, this will be compared, this will be checked in every when clause. Okay, when 20,000, then salary segment is when 20,000, then salary segment is equal to average. That means what, if this rec is having the value 20,000, then it is going to check when 20,000 then salary segment is equals to average. And basically this is working on the equality operand. Equality operand, exactly whatever value is going to come in the RAC variable, that will be compared in every when clause. Okay. Next, when 30,000, if suppose RAC is having 30,000, then it is going to check in the when clause. Okay. Then the salary segment will be printed as normal. When 50,000, then salary segment is equal to high. Else, if none of the case is found, then it is going to execute the else statement, that is salary segment is equal to unspecified. Then in case, return salary segment in language PLPG SQL. Okay. Let's run and see this particular program. Okay, I have already saved this program. So this is what simple case program entirely. I have copied the same program over here. Okay, and I am having the table employee in my database. This employee table is already present into my database. So here you can see I can select the values. Select just changing the font. Okay, so what is this? Select star from employee. Okay, this is what the table which I have already in the database. Okay, this is what the value present in it. Okay, so here basically I am going to execute the function. I have already saved this particular file with .sql, control S, and this is what the location of that particular file. I'm just going to paste it over here. Okay, I have pasted it. Then wait, something messed it out. Okay, so here basically I am going to copy the path which I have already saved. Okay, I'm just going to copy this, control C. I will paste in my Postgres. Okay, paste. I'll just press enter. So it is already showing. Then I'm going to write drop function get salary. Since the function is already present, that's why it is showing an error. So here I'm going to write in number 1 space integer. Okay, and semicolon, then drop function. Okay, now here I'm going to call it. Okay, the function is created, right? Now let's call the function again. Select get salary. E number I'm going to pass, suppose 2, then semicolon and enter. Then get salary will be, the get salary function will return the salary segment as normal. Okay, will return the salary segment as normal. So here you can see select star from employee. Okay, semicolon, enter. You can see at E number 2, I have passed this E number 2. Name is Huda and the salary is what? 30,000. This 30,000 was in RAC variable, right? This RAC variable is compared with every when clause, is checked with every expression of the when clause. So basically here we say what? Here the expression is evaluated only once. The expression is evaluated only once, and whatever value is coming in that particular expression will be based on equality operand. Okay, exactly whatever the value is, it is going to check for that particular value, and accordingly the statement will be executed. Okay, let's see. If I type over here second value, select 1, right? Let's see what happens to this. So here you can see the salary segment which is written is what? Average. It is written what? Average. So basically here e number I have passed 1, okay, and whatever salary base for this 1 is there, it is going to come into the REC variable. Okay, case REC, that means what? Case 20,000, then when 20,000, then, right? So basically REC is having 20,000, that's why salary segment will return average, will return average. So this is what the simple case statement, right? So basically it is based on equality of operands. Let's see for the another one now. Search statement, right? Search case statement. So basically search case statement evaluates, keeps on evaluating the expression until a match is found, and then subsequent statements are executed. Okay, so basically here we can say it is similar to if then, else if then, right? So here you can see syntax: case when expression 1, then execute the statement. When expression 2, if expression 1 is not found, then execute the expression 2, then evaluate the expression 2. If this is met, then that particular statement is executed. If none of the expression evaluates to true, then else statement is executed, right? Then this is the example: create or replace function. Search case, this is the function name where I am passing the variable, or I am declaring the variable marks of type integer. It is going to return text. Okay, I have declared one more variable, say grade, of data type text. Let's begin the block. Then the case. Okay, case keyword is important, so that it tells us that it is a case statement, right? Case, what is the first case over here? When marks is greater than 40, when marks is greater than equal to 40, then please return the value of grade as pass. Okay, next, when marks is less than equal to 39 and marks is greater than 0, then return grade as fail. Else grade is what? Did not appear in the exam, so it will return that particular message. Then the in case and end language PLPG SQL. Let's see what happens when we execute this particular code. Okay, so here this is what the file, where I have passed the, or I have declared the variable marks in the create function itself, right? Just we are going to check for the cases, which case is match over here. Okay, so let's execute this. Searchcase.sql is the file name, no error. Then the create function message is coming. Okay, now I'm going to call the function select as search case, since it is the function name, right? What I'm going to pass here? The value. Basically if I pass 40, then let's see what happens. Okay, so search case, this function returns grade as pass. Okay, it returns grade as pass. Let's see for the another example, right? If it is less than equal to 39 and greater than 0, right? Then fail, right? Let's try for the another one. Since here in the second case I have written it is greater than 0, not equal to 0, for just checking the else statement also, right? So if I pass here 0, then let's see what happens. Did not appear in the exam. Okay, so basically here we say what? For the search case statement, the expression is evaluated until the match is found. Okay, until the match is found, the expression is evaluated. Once the match is found, then that particular statement is executed, right? When I call the function for the first time, this select search case and pass the value as 40, that means what? The very first when clause is executed. Okay, for the second time I have passed the value as 36, then the second when clause is executed, or the second case is executed, right? And for third where I have passed 0, though it did not find any of the match in the first two cases, that's why it has executed the else part where the message is given word did not appear in the exam. Student, I hope you have understood what is the case statement, and please comment me if you have any doubt or I have to change my teaching day, so that I can be motivated from your side. Okay, thank you.